Damn, bro. Nice,
Fuck the
kid.
E-words, right?
Nice. What up, Felice?
Fuck the E-words.
Fuck the E-words, kid. Holy shit.
Look at this guy.
All right.
Hook them up.
What a day, bro. Look at this, man. Very nice. We're gonna do under the hood here, bro. Let's warm up first. Today is Stevie's birthday, so let's do this right. Then
We got a little Patron, a little silver, a little tequila for me.
a little tequila.
A little celebratory
We gotta
shot.
hit this, man. Then I'll explain where I'm at soon.
All right, let's do it.
Let's see this first.
Happy
birthday, Steve.
Salute. Appreciate it, brother.
Okay, so while they open the hood here for us, let me explain why I'm here. This is actually my fifth red cat. I'm gonna have Steve do the third and final paint job of how the truck was later on. All right, and there's two other guys that's doing my body, the original color, the original blue that my dad had. So it's over here at Steve. Steve does a lot of nice work as well, as you can see. He does a lot of work. All right, we're gonna show a little bit of his work today and his setup, because he has a nice setup. You guys remember in the past, I used to show people setups, workshops, and because this helps out newbies how to be organized. Like Steve here, he has everything pretty much organized. This here, he's got many jobs going at once, so
We're busy.
he puts in the work. You gotta admit, he puts in the work. A lot of E-word stuff, but a lot of BRAP stuff and Nitro, kid. This is his personal Nitro 4.0 buggy right here, his personal one. All right, he's running an Alpha engine. Very nice setup. All right, he's got truggies. He's got a bunch of stuff. All right.
Got all types of stuff.
Look at this. Here's a little paint job that he's done. Here. Very cool. All right. He also braps. All right. Check it out. Can't mess around with this right here.
Quarter scale.
Look at that. Look at this beauty right here. Huh? Look at this. This is a screamer right here, man. What is this? A 260 right here.
2-bolt.
It's a 2-bolt 260 high-ass RPM engine. Crazy. All right, very nice.
You want to know what's something crazy is I just talked to somebody in Tennessee.
Yeah.
He said one of those just went out for auction. It was brand new, sold for $9,000.
No shit.
Shit you not.
Damn, bro.
I cannot believe it.
And this is off the Senna.
This is that's based
Wow,
off
the
Senna
replica?
paint job. Yeah, the replica of the McLaren.
Yeah. If you guys Google up Senna, actually, there's a movie about him.
Ayrton
right?
Senna, one of the best Formula One drivers ever.
It was a Brazilian guy.
Yeah, I actually have his replica.
Oh, no kidding. Oh, dude.
1/18 scale.
You know how Dale Earnhardt is to me, right? Well, Senna is to Steve, you know? So let's see this, man. Oh, beautiful.
We have a little
Oh, we're at a Senna fan house, kid.
right here, kid. You see,
Very cool.
You see Senna right in the middle, right there.
Yeah, man.
You know him just by his yellow helmet. Brazil.
But yeah, he used to rock the yellow helmet. Brazil. Look at this. Beautiful.
So that's actually used to be my hobby
Alright.
before everything.
Very cool. So, to have a quarter scale RC based off that is sick. Is badass.
100%.
You know, so. And he's got a bunch of other stuff. He also is going to be getting a crawler,
Yep.
from what I hear. So, very cool, man. And
We do replicas of everything.
look at that. Oh, my Chevy brother, Dale Earnhardt Jr.
There it is.
Very cool, man. Just a quick look here.
Big fan myself.
All right. And here's like a
We got
look
some
at
more
this.
wrap on the here. You didn't even see the
Oh,
fin scales
we'll
under
get
there.
there. I'll get there. I see a Baja
We got
already,
a
man.
Baja, we got an FG wrap.
Let me show the. See, look at this. Nice. You got the tools here. See how you organize. You got your screws.
Everything's got to be organized,
All right.
size. We
Exactly.
got bolts, pinions.
Look at this.
Everything you
Beautiful.
need. Hexes. From there, we got spare parts.
I like.
All types of stuff. Then if we move
Very
into
nice.
the bigger toolbox.
Nice. I'm very familiar with this toolbox. Very nice.
Cool. All the MIP stuff.
Yep.
Snap-on stuff. Because obviously, I used to be a mechanic before this.
Uh-huh.
Quit my job to do this full time.
Wow.
Yeah.
Here's a close look over here with Floyd Mayweather. I actually have a video of when you went here. This is what, 2 years ago?
2 years ago, yeah. That was.
Check it out. Check out this clip. I'm gonna show.
Everyone is Challenger Hellcat for Davion Love. Dope as fuck. The toy, I couldn't get it done right here, man. We want to present to the champ. Come on, champ. They got the Bugatti.
You know, baby. Number 7? Yeah. Get a picture real quick. There it is.
Definitely a good time. I actually just spoke to him recently. We were with him in Orlando a couple weeks ago.
Nice.
And I asked him how the car was, and he's like, "I don't drive that thing, man. That thing's on my shelf with my trophies. That thing don't go anywhere." His 50-0. This was the day after his fight with McGregor.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's why it's got the 50-0. on the
Yeah. Very cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Very cool. That's awesome. What else?
What else we got?
What we got here? We got a nice Baja here. Very cool.
We got a Baja. We got the 5th scale.
I like these stainless benches. Very nice.
They're actually kitchen prep benches.
And this one here
Hold on.
is special here. This one here.
What do we got over here? What do we
Ah, what do you got here? I knew it. I knew there was something up with this.
What was going on? And that one's, so when I walk in, I see it.
Any question?
Any questions?
Look what we got here. We got a beautiful FG here. Zat Nakafez. Look at this.
Evo 4.
Any questions? And this one right here belongs to my brat brother right here. Very nice. Very nice.
Just need to bleed the oil. That's about it. Got a couple bubbles.
Oh, you got the hydraulic brake
lights.
runs, yeah. Yeah, I see. And this is a screamer too here, huh?
Pretty fast.
What is this, a 230? you said?
230, yeah.
Wow, a G230, guys. A G230. This some bitch can scream. This one right here has got a set of lungs on her, right? A set of lungs. This one right here will probably outscream my wife. You know what I'm saying?
Man.
So now let's take a look here. I'm sorry if I'm taking too long here, but I like try to show everything, man. Like I love it. I could be here for like a half hour just looking at setups, tools. I love this shit. A lot of you guys are into the same thing and appreciate that. So here we go. Now we're over here. This is Steve's personal Losi 5T. What we got here?
So,
Dude, right off the bat, I love your stand. The stand is great.
little dynamite.
Can't go wrong with those, man. I missed them.
Stand, for
Yeah.
sure. But no, this was a car that I got used from somebody, and I completely ripped it apart.
Nice.
Can't believe somehow, some way, I found a 5T TLR tuning kit, which replaces a bunch of.
Oh, no
the-
kidding.
Yeah.
Beautiful shocks. I noticed them. Wow.
Yeah. So then, on top of that, I got basically every single 5B part that was transferable.
Correct.
And I made it fit on here.
Beautiful. Very nice.
Speaking of a 5B, I got one building.
Oh, look at that.
I got one I'm building for someone. Another build we're doing. Crazy. We're
Very
super
cool.
backed up, but excited.
Very cool. Losi 5B right here. Beautiful.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. We just saw him here. Close up. Oh, damn.
Yeah, that's no.
Yo, that center diff setup is crazy.
Sealed.
Yeah,
Keep
completely sealed.
Completely sealed. I don't want
This
any
is
debris
crazy.
in it. We're trying to race this summer, so
You can go mud bogging with that, for Christ's sakes.
150%.
What the fuck?
That's why we did the waterproof servos.
Yeah, sure.
You know what I mean?
Man, I wish they had something like this for the MTXL, man. I'd be going in swamps.
Speaking of MTXL,
Speaking of MTXL, we got to it.
this
Yo, very nice pipe as well.
Bartolone ceramic coated.
Yeah.
Shout out to my guy out there. Pretty good price also.
Okay. Very cool. Now, what we got over here, bro?
So my
Let's
beautiful
see.
girlfriend for Christmas decided she wanted to get me a big gift.
Big, that's for sure. It's a big gift here, kid. Look at this.
Look at this thing.
Look at this.
It is.
Ah.
I've always wanted one of these.
Yeah, man.
It's just the biggest, baddest RC car you can get, the MTXL.
Congrats, dude. Super nice, bro. MTXL, brother. Here we go.
100%. I'm really excited.
Yeah.
We got a bunch of stuff coming up for it. I got a pipe coming.
Nice.
Turtle racing intake. I got these special chassis protectors actually. That I get. Check it out. That I basically have
nice. Okay.
custom made.
Yeah.
You know, I take everything off.
Now, for you guys, though, this is Steve's name here. RC Motorsports. All right?
Cool.
Very cool. Look at that.
We're gonna place that underneath there, so obviously when we go bashing and stuff like that,
Yeah.
I don't scrape up the
Sure.
chassis. Just like to keep everything clean.
Yeah,
That's
of
just the
course.
way I am. But yeah, no, I'm excited for this. Eventually, we'll get a new motor, upgrade the hell out of it.
Sure.
Maybe
you
still-
can't go wrong with that stock motor, man. You'll have plenty of fun with that. You know,
For sure.
you can have plenty of fun with it. But very cool.
excited.
So it's bone stock.
Bone
yeah,
stock.
Bone
It's
stock.
brand new.
Well, very nice, man. Congratulations and good luck,
I
bro.
appreciate it.
Yeah. Very nice. That's another paint job you did here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. That one we did for a company called Boom Cups. Check them out. They got an awesome cup that they
Boom
invented.
Cups.
Boom Cups.
Big shout out to Boom Cups.
100%. Then we got a bunch of E-words, some SMTs, and that's a nitro truggy right there that we're doing for somebody.
Okay.
What else?
Well, it's an oldie but a goodie.
Yeah, I got a nitro E-Revo that I got. That was probably one of my first nitro cars from a long time ago.
You got a Nitro Revo.
Nitro Revo,
Yeah.
not E-Revo.
No
Nitro
E-Revo.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Some old discontinued parts on that, so probably never get rid of that. That's pretty much it.
Very cool.
For sure.
This looks like the victory.
Gotta throw some upgrades in.
Very
Definitely
nice.
need 990.
Yeah, so it's still here.
On this thing.
What do you got here? Felicia here was showing us. So this is your personal RC. This is a Red Cat here. huh?
MT.
Very nice. Very nice Red Cat MT.
34 full mod.
Nice,
All
man.
aluminum.
OBR full mod.
Yep.
That's the full mod, not the
What's
signature
up,
series,
guys?
correct?
So we got a special
Yep.
guest here.
Very cool.
Visiting us from YouTube.
Almost
My
there.
name, John Bodigello. John, say what's up, bro.
Haha, Zah! What's up, kid?
What's going
Huh?
on? You
What
already
do you do?
know, I'm sure once you
Over here.
guys-
Over here, my brat brother Felice, kid.
What's
Any
up,
question?
guys? My man Felice just picked up his very first 5T. We're over here comparing it to mine. Very nice pickup. He actually
Yeah, very
traded
nice
one
pickup.
of his X Maxes for a 5T.
Super pickup.
This guy's excited.
That's it. Getting it going.
So yeah, we're just doing a little film.
Happy birthday, Steve. Big shout out to Steve.
I appreciate
RC
it.
Motorsports, kid.
Yeah, we got a Scorpion chassis.
So Felice over here has another job that we're going to show here. He's working on it. He's doing a shorty. He's building his own shorty Baja. Scorpion chassis. What else? Looks good.
29 Genoa.
Nice.
VRC side mount.
Very nice, man.
1955. Black Magic gears.
All right.
4 PLS.
Very cool, bro.
I got an FG Monster.
Oh, shit. You got the Dale Earnhardt thing,
Yeah.
bro. Very nice,
Got to
man.
redo the whole truck.
Oh, I got to go over to your place, too, bro. Yeah, I like the way you, do things, man.
Relevant.
Very cool.
All aluminum.
Oh, nice.
Stock motor because why not, you know?
That's a beautiful wing, bro. I got to
Yeah.
see that in person, man.
Yeah.
That's a Roving Baja 5B. Wow.
DDM wing.
Oh, we got to go hang out.
IRP.
Yo, you should run this, man. It's got hostile slicks.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Is that the Roving slicks?
Those are hostile.
Hostiles?
slicks.
Nice, man.
The front ones are roving.
All right. You should bring that.
Yeah.
Bring that. Hook it up. Very cool, bro. Yeah, so.
Got
we're
one
probably.
more. Got one more.
Damn,
for you
bro.
guys.
You got it. You're brapping. Oh,
FG
shit.
Mata.
You got an
VRC.
FG. Very nice. Holy shit.
I
That's
threw
no
a
joke.
Baja filter on it. 990. That's it. Running
Nice.
That's how we met.
Yeah.
No
actually,
shit.
Yeah, it is.
That's how we met. He hit me
Ah.
up on Instagram. He said, "Hey, I need some help." I said, "Come through to
Man.
RC Motorsports."
That's it.
Yo, this RC thing, man. Electric, gas, nitro. Bro, it's crazy. It's like you meet such great people, bro. Hard workers, freaking. You make friends. It's like you have a whole new family. It's a whole nother world, bro.
100%.
You know, that's the whole main thing about this hobby, man.
Look, I just met my boy Felice last week. Look what he got
Look
me
at
for
it.
my birthday. Look at it. I've known this guy a week. Look what he got me for my birthday.
You see,
That's a good guy right there.
this
You
is
see that?
that's a good guy, bro.
See? And I take care of
If
it.
If I knew it was your birthday today, I'd bring you a bottle of Magnum in there, bro.
Some gentleman stuff.
We would have
Some gentleman
some
stuff.
gentleman stuff. But I like a Henny too.
No
So.
problem. I got no problem with him. Look,
Yeah,
look,
me
yeah.
neither. Why not?
You know we're gonna be drinking
Very
tonight
nice,
for
man.
sure.
So, yeah, very cool. So, hey, I'm gonna just give you guys a quick look and just show the good work that Steve puts in here. We got to meet Felice, another brat brother in the house, and a lot of good stuff going on over here. So, very cool, man. I had to bust out the camera and start filming. We got to give shout outs when shout outs are due. We just must. When people are putting in the work, doing great things, you gotta show some respect and put it out there. You must. So, all right. So stay tuned. Oh my God, is this the Knight Rider?
Yes. it
What
is.
the? Yo, bro, I gotta buy this, man. What is this? Tell me what's
that's-
going on over here, bro?
That's a discontinued.
Are you kidding me, bro?
Knight Rider.
I'm a big Knight Rider fan.
What's even crazier is all the lights actually work.
You're kidding me.
It's got the actual strobing LED
Oh
lights.
my god, I
So
love
if
the
you
Knight Rider, the kit.
See underneath here, it's got the strobing lights. If you're
Are you able to light her up by any chance?
maybe. Actually.
Oh man, we got to see this before we go.
Hold on. Actually, does that work?
Dude, I was such a big fan of this. I grew up with this, man.
Yeah.
Right, we can work this.
Plus, I love the Trans Am.
Oh.
How can we work this right now?
Oh, that would be awesome.
Hold on.
Over here,
Do I
over here, Steve doing some diff work here.
Yeah, we're
Look,
taking that baby apart.
I got these here. I'll be operating my MTXL with. All right, so very cool. There we got a little drill here, a little Castman drill.
Can't go wrong.
No,
You can't go wrong.
can't go wrong.
Gotta come hang out in Pennsylvania with us.
Oh, definitely, man. Definitely, whip out.
Milford, Pennsylvania.
Where?
Milford, Pennsylvania.
Milford.
Yeah.
Bro, I got a house in Dingman's Ferry, bro. I'm 20
No
miles
way.
from fucking Milford, bro. Bro, what? Freaking small world, kid.
My father
Small world.
was down there.
No shit.
Yep.
Oh my god, dude.
This is how we're gonna
Bro, I got a house in Dingman's Ferry, dude.
Yo, that whole workshop was this.
Route 739.
Yeah. Holy shit, it's close.
Bro, my dad has
You're
2
right.
antique cars from Milford, from
John, do me a
Nice
right by the
guys.
Delaware
Just
River.
hold this real
Yeah.
quick.
You take that wooden bridge, the Delaware.
Yeah.
No, dude. Holy shit, small world.
$1 bridge, yo.
Look at that.
Yeah, $1 bridge.
$1 bridge.
It's crazy, man.
Right? Small world, huh?
Look at this beauty.
Yo, I gotta change this.
We'll just work it off this SMT
Oh,
that
dude.
I'm working on.
There's a special moment here.
Let's see. If we
Damn. The freaking Knight Rider Kit 2000, dude.
This actually would probably look cool on the top of this actual
The monster truck,
this
right?
SMT actually. It would look pretty cool.
Right?
Bro, I gotta do one of those, man. And these bodies are super rare, you say, huh?
Super duper rare.
And super duper expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This baby right here was $435, $450.
Jesus.
That shit on.
Oh, here we go.
Hold on, let's get these lights off.
I like these workshop lights.
Yeah,
Very
these
nice.
Home
Yeah.
Depot.
No kidding.
Home
Wow.
Depot. $30 each.
Wow. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this. Super cool, dude. Too bad we don't get a sound effect with this, huh?
Nah.
Yo, that is badass, man.
Tell me that is not cool though.
Dude, super cool, bro. Oh, man. Look at that, even at night.
Really cool. Really cool. Set up for a build that we're doing for a guy from down south.
Wow.
He hit me up, said, "Hey, I love your work. Can I get you to get me a quote on a kit car?" And
That is awesome, bro.
next thing you know it,
What a lucky guy, man.
for sure.
If you don't want it, hit me up, kid. I want it.
I got you.
You know what I'm saying?
100%.
Badly. Very nice, man. All right, guys. So I'm gonna call this quits. We're gonna finish up. I'll leave it. We got to talk about this little job that Steve will be doing. I'm just gonna drop him off some parts, some pieces here. We got this upgraded Gen 8 Scout 2 aluminum grill. You know, a couple of things. All right, so until next time, happy birthday, Steve.
Appreciate it, guys.
Felice, you guys will be seeing more of them in the future.
100%. Check us out on Instagram.
Right here.
Instagram, RC Motorsports. Steve, hit me up if you guys need anything. My man John,
Awesome.
appreciate you coming by.
No
For
problem.
sure.
Anytime, bro. Felicia's going to start heading out. And until next time, man.
Yeah,
Thank
for
you,
sure.
Steve.
Absolutely. I appreciate you for coming by,
worries, bro.
checking out.
I know you got things to do. It's your birthday night.
It is.
And we got to head out. So just a quick view. I had to bust out the camera. I had to show this. So that's it. Till next time.